Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDC from Kraken and transfer it to Kucoin in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step process will help you move your funds securely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Kucoin and that you have some USDC in your Kraken wallet. Always double-check your balances to avoid any surprises. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account using your secure credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Funding section. It's usually in the top menu. Here, you'll see a list of your assets, including USDC. Click on USDC to select it for withdrawal. Next, in the withdrawal page, you'll need to enter the destination address. This is crucial. Copy the USDC deposit address from your Kucoin account. Remember, USDC is typically on the Ethereum network, so ensure you're using the correct network to avoid any lost funds. Double-check that the address starts with the right prefix, like 0x, for ERC20 tokens. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees Kraken might charge. Hover over the fee details for a breakdown. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this through email or two-factor authentication for added security. After initiating the withdrawal, keep an eye on your Kraken account for confirmation. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's processed, hop over to Kucoin and check your deposit history or wallet balance to ensure the USDC has arrived. A quick tip. Always verify the minimum withdrawal amounts and any potential gas fees if you're using a blockchain network. If you run into issues, both exchanges have support teams ready to help. And that's it, you've successfully moved your USDC. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.